Today in this video I show you how to fix Pinterest pictures not showing. For this you can try the methods that I am going to show you in this video. So let's start with first method, that is clear app cache. Open Pinterest app, click on profile icon and then open settings like this. Click on privacy and data. Now scroll down and then you have to click on clear app cache. After doing this your problem will be fixed. Now the second method is to log out. Go back and swipe up. You can see this logout. Click on it and then log in again on your profile so that your issue will fixed. You can also try third method in which you have to update your Pinterest app. Open App Store, click on search icon. Now tap on search bar and search Pinterest. Open Pinterest. Now if you have any update, then update the Pinterest app. And if you don't find any update, then you can simply reinstall your Pinterest app. If your problem still not fixed yet, then check out your internet or Wi-Fi connection. And if you are connected to any VPN, then disconnect from it because Pinterest does not work well with VPN. So these are some methods that you can try to fix Pinterest pictures not showing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.